Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
In this video, I will explain how to change your Audi A3 key battery. First, ensure you have a new CR2032 battery and a small flathead screwdriver or a plastic pry tool. These are the only items you will need for this quick and easy process. Having the right tools ready makes the entire battery replacement smooth and efficient, saving you time and effort. Let's get started with the first step. Now, let's open the key fob. Find the small silver button on the side of your key fob and press it firmly. This action will release the emergency key blade, which you can then slide out. Next, use your flathead screwdriver or plastic pry tool to gently separate the two halves of the key fob casing. There's usually a small notch where you can insert the tool to begin prying it open carefully. With the key fob open, you will see the old battery. Take a moment to observe its orientation, noting which side is facing up. This is crucial for correct installation of the new battery. Gently pry out the old, discharged battery from its slot. Now, take your new CR2032 battery and insert it into the compartment, ensuring the positive side, usually marked with a plus sign, faces upwards, just like the old one. Finally, it's time to reassemble your key fob. Carefully align the two halves of the casing and press them together until you hear a click, indicating they are securely fastened. Then, slide the emergency key blade back into its slot until it locks into place. To confirm everything is working correctly, test your key fob by locking and unlocking your Audi A3. You should now have a fully functional key fob.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.